n greater than or equals to a, definitely true. And the relation between d and a, d greater than a, I lesser than d. Both 1 and 2, that is choice 1. Then coming to 68, the relation between a and r, two opposite symbols, d and f. Now in between d and f, d is here, f is here, isn't it? Hence, tell me whether it is followed or not. Now between d and f, d lesser than n lesser than or equals to f. Hence, it does not follow. Why? Here the question is about lesser than or equals to. As it is lesser than or equals to must be common. Or equals to should be there. Here there is one lesser than between d and a. It cannot be your answer. Okay, next step you will answer better. Then, hence what is your answer here? Neither 1 nor 2, that is choice fine. Then question number 69. Now in this 69, I, x and d. D and x, d lesser than or equals to x, x greater than or equals to d, definitely true. I and e, between I and e, and t lesser than or equals to b. Hence u lesser than or equals to b. Either lesser or equal. Either 1 or 2, that is choice 4. Then coming to question number 71. Now in this 71, how many such pairs of letters are there in the word coder? Each have as many letters between them. Now between C and D. Tell me what is the element we have? Now between C and D, C, D, E, F, G, O, P, Q, R. Now between O and R. Here in this word, between O and R, there are 2 letters. And in the alphabetical order also, between O and R, there are only 2 letters. Next one between D and E. D and E are consecutive letters. Here also these 2 are consecutive. Next one EF. Left hand side to right hand side, there are only 2 possibilities, 2 pairs. Again in the right hand side, R. No letter more than this R, no need to count. E, F, G, H, D, E, F. That's it. Hence we have only 2. That is choice 1. Then 72 onwards. Now question number 72 to 75. U is the sister of S. How to represent this one? U is the sister of S. And S is the son of Y. S is the son of Y. Now U and S are the children of Y. Y is the only child of D. As Y is the only child of whom? Y is the only child of D. Y is the only child of D, isn't it? Y is the only child of D. Next, and D is married to X. D and X are a married couple. D is the sister of P. As D is the sister of P, X is a male. D and P are siblings to each other. How is P related to Y? The gender of this P is not known, male or female. Hence cannot be determined, choice 3. Then 73. If T is the daughter-in-law of X, T is the daughter-in-law of X, and Y is the only child of D. As Y is the only child and T is the daughter-in-law of X, T must be the wife of Y. Y is a male. Then how is T related to S? S is mother. Mother, that is choice 5. Then 74, how is D related to U? U's parents, child. Parents, mother. That is parents' mother is grandmother. Grandmother, that is choice 4. Next one, question number 75. Now in this 75, in a certain code language, one more time is coded as 261. And time, what is the code here? The code is, the question is related to time. Now in this time, one more time, and time to rejoice. What is the only word which is common here? Time is the only word which is common. As time is common, one code must be common too. And the code for time is 2, that is choice 4. Then 76 to 80. Now in this 76 to 80, tell me what are the words we have numbers? 761 and 248, 761, 248, 435, 435, 924 and 657 are the 5 numbers we have. Then the question is about the difference of the first and the third digits. In how many of the given numbers is lesser than the second digit of the same number? Isn't it second digit of the same number? Tell me. Now the difference between 7 and 1 is 6, equivalent to second. Equivalent to the second digit, that is 6. Now 8 and 2. 8 and 2 is how much? The difference is 6. Now this 6 is more than the second digit rather than lesser than. And this also cannot be answered. 4 and 5 difference is 1. That 1 is lesser than 3. Hence 435 is one such number where the difference between the first and the third digit is lesser than the second digit. Next one. 9 and 4, it is 5. And it is 2, it is more than this one, which is not, which is invalid. 6 and 7 is 1, is greater than, is lesser than the second digit 5. Hence, how many numbers are there? There are 2 such numbers. 2, that is choice 2. Then 77. The product of the second and the third digit in which of the following numbers is the highest? Product of the second and the third. 6 into 1 is 6, 4 into 8 is 32, 3 into 5 is 15, 2 into 4, 8, 5 into 7, 35. Tell me what is your answer here? 35, that is choice 4, 435. Yes? Now in this one, 657, 5 into 7, 35, that is choice 1. Then 78, 2 is added to the second digit of all the odd numbers. Odd numbers, 2 is added to the second digit, this will be 781. And next one, this will be 455. And this will be 677. And next one, 4 is subtracted from the third digit of all the even numbers. And 4 is subtracted, this will be 244 and this will be 920. Then how many numbers thus found will a digit appear twice? Now here 4 appear twice, 5 appear twice, 7 appear twice. Hence in 3 of the numbers, now the digit appeared twice, choice 1. Then 79. First and the second digit of all the given numbers are interchanged. First and the second are interchanged. Then which of the following will be the second smallest number? Second smallest number means now we need to find out the second digit. Second digit is second smallest. 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. 6, 4, 3, 2 and 5. Which is least is 2 and the second least will be 3. Then what is your answer here? 435. Then first and the second digit. Which of the following will become the second smallest number? Which will become the second smallest number? 435, that is choice 5. Then 80th. If all the digits of the given numbers are arranged in the ascending order within the number. Now the digits are arranged in the ascending order within the number. Then what will be the sum of the second and the third digits of the second highest number? Now second highest number. Now in this one, what is the least digit? 1. Here in this 248 it is 2. Here it is 3. Here it is 2. Here it will be 5. Now in this one, which is the highest? 5 is the highest. Second highest will be 3. And in this one, what is the question we have? Sum of the second and the third digits. Now 3, that means 4 plus 5 is how much? 9 is the answer, choice 4. 9, it is choice 4. Then question number 81. Now in this 81, 5 friends. Among these 5 friends are being compared in their what? They are being compared in their height. As these persons are being compared in their height, A, B, C, D and E, only 2 people spent more than A. As only 2 people spent more than A must be at the third place. And D spent more than C, but less than B. B, D and C. B did not spend the most. B cannot be at the first place. This is B, D and C. Then who is the other person left over? E. Then who among the following spent the second lowest? Second lowest is D, that is choice 181. Then 82 to 86. Now in this 82 to 86, it is based on circular arrangement. How many persons are there? 8 persons, they were seated around a circular table and facing the center clearly given. Q sits out, O sits out to the right of Q. Q is here. O sits out to the right of Q. One person between O and L. How many possibilities? 2 possibilities. As there is a second possibility, we are writing this one. Second possibility as it is. Now Q is here, O is here, and one person between O and L, L can be here. Done with this? Then next one. M sits to the immediate left of Q, M is to the immediate left of Q, and only 3 people between P and N. 3 people between P and N is nothing but among 8 persons, 3 in between means they are opposite to each other. P is here, N will be here. Or if P is here, N will be here. And 3 in between P and N, if P is here, N will be here. Or if P is here, N will be here. 3 people between P and N. P is not an immediate neighbor of L. As P is not an immediate neighbor of L, P cannot be here. Hence, N is here. If N is here, P must be at this place. P is not an immediate neighbor of L. R is an immediate neighbor of neither L nor P. R is not an immediate neighbor of neither L nor P. No, here N will be here and P will be here. R is neither this, isn't it? Then tell me who is the only person left over? K. Now K must be in between P and R. This is how these 8 persons are seated around this circular table facing the center, 82 to 86. Then coming back to 87. 87 to 91, it is again based on arrangement. 7 people attend 7 different classes on 7 different days of the same week starting from Monday ending on Sunday. starting on Monday, ending on Sunday. Now Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Then in this one. Now question number 88. On 7 different days, Monday not necessarily in the same order, H attends a class on Wednesday. Now what is the first information we have? First information related to H. As there is no other parameter added to this one, directly you can start solving this. It won't take much more than 2 to 3 minutes, and so you have to start solving this. Now H is on Wednesday. H is on Wednesday. Next one, K attends a class on one of the days before H. On one of the days before H, K can be on Tuesday or K can be on Monday, on Friday. And G attends a class immediately after L. G is immediately after L, G and L must be here. G is immediately after L, L is here, G will be here. And G immediately after L, G is here and L will be here. Next one, I attends a class on one of the days before L. I before L, but not after H. I must be before H. As I must be before H, I attends a class on one of the days before L, but not after H. I is before H. Now here also I must be before H. And there is more than one person between I and J. I and J, how many persons were there? More than one means 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Hence the first one is ruled out. Now we are left with the second case. Now this is about question numbers 87 to 91. Write down this arrangement. Then let us start working question number 92. Now in this 92, 1 is added to each odd digit. What is the odd digit we have? The odd digit is 725413. Now 725413, 1 is added to each odd digit. Now this is 8, 6, and this is 2, and this will be 4. 1 is added, and what happened to this even digit here? And 1 is subtracted. 1 is added to each odd digit and even digit. 1 is subtracted from each of these even. Now this is 1 and 3. Now the question is about which of the following will be second from the right hand side. All the digits are arranged in the ascending order. Ascending order second from the right. Second from the right hand side means which is at the first place from the right. First from the right, highest 8. Second from the right will be 6. Now 6 is the answer, choice 4. 92. Then 93 onwards. 93 to 94. Only 2 questions given under this 93 and 94. Now in this 93, Neeraj, who is standing at point P. Now this is point P, walks 12 meters towards east, 12 meters towards east, and reaches point Q. From this point Q, he then takes left hand and walks 4 meters. From here, left hand side walks 4 meters. He then takes a right hand and walks 7 meters. From here, right hand side 7 meters, and reaches point R. From point R, I is 16 meters to the south of R. I is 16 meters to the south of R, this is 16. Isn't it? I is 16 meters to the south of R. J is 7 meters to the west of I. J is 7 meters to the west of I, this is 7 meters. Now this will be point J. Now the first question 93. How far and in which direction is Q with respect to J? Now the difference between Q and J. Now what is the difference here? Now in this one, 4 towards north, 16 towards, no, 4 towards north and 16 towards this one. Then tell me what is the distance we have? 16 minus 4 is 12 meters. 12 meters towards north. 12 meters north, that is choice 2. Then next one, in which direction is P with respect to I? I is said in order to reach P from I, first I need to move towards north and west. North and west to northwest. Northwest, that is choice 2. 94. Then in this 95, the code gives -1 plus 1 plus 1. And K minus 1 J, I minus 1 H, D plus 1 E, S plus 1 is T. J, H, E, T. Choice 5. Now here one more example is given, turn. As you got the logic with this one, no need to check out that one. Directly go to the answer. And if you are not getting the answer, how many such numbers? It is based on a sequence. Now in this sequence, how many such numbers are there? Numbers, and each of which is immediately preceded by a letter and followed by a symbol. Letter, number, and symbol. Letter number but not symbol. Next one, letter number but not symbol. Next one, letter and number but not symbol. letter and a number. Letter, number and a symbol. And so how many we have? We have only one. What is that one? P is a letter, 7 is a number, and copyright is a symbol. L 8 and percentage. Now in this one letter 8 and percentage. Another one is letter is L, number is 8, and percentage is the symbol. And so how many we have? All together we have some 2. 2, that is choice 4. Then in this 97. Now in this 97, how many alphabets are there in the English alphabetical sequence? Between third element from the left. Third element from the left is F, and sixth element from the left, 1, 2, 3, D. Now between D and F, how many letters? There is only one, that is choice 3, 97. Then 98. 4 out of the following. 4 out of the following is nothing but an odd man out. Percentage, 8 and H. Now percentage and 8. What is the relation between these two? Minus 1. Minus 1, 8 and H, it is plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2. Next one, star, W and F. Now star, W and F, star and W. Plus 1, minus 2. Plus 1, minus 2. Then next one, pi, G and Q. Now in this one, tell me pi and G. Pi and G, tell me what is the relation we have between pi and G? Minus 1. As it is minus 1, 2 is the odd one. No need to check out the remaining. Then, now 98, choice 2 is the answer. Because here these two are same. Hence this is the one which is different. మీరు సెపరేట్గా ఇంకోసారి మొత్తం అన్ని చాయిస్లు చూసుకునే పని పెట్టుకోకండి. ఓకే, నౌ లెట్ us take a small example in this case. Now a bag of socks were there. మనం ఏం చేస్తాండి, సాక్స్ అన్నీ ఒక దగ్గర పడేస్తాం కదా. ఓకే, నౌ యూ గాట్ ఏ బ్లాక్ సాక్స్ వేసుకున్నారు. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఏం చేస్తున్నారు, తీస్తున్నారు. ఎన్ని తీయాలి? ఒక 10 or 15 ఉన్నాయి అందులో. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ తీసారు, రెడ్ వచ్చింది. థర్డ్ తీసారు, ఎల్లో వచ్చింది. ఫోర్త్ది బ్లాక్ వచ్చింది. బ్లాక్ వస్తే సరిపోయింది కదా, రిమైనింగ్ మళ్ళీ చెక్ చేయాల్సిన పని లేదు. ఇది కూడా అంతే. ఓకే, ఆడ్ మ్యాన్ అవుట్, రెండు సేమ్ వస్తున్నాయి, ఒకటేమో డిఫరెంట్ వస్తుంది. ఒక డిఫరెంట్ వచ్చింది, రెండు సేమ్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి దట్ విల్ బి ద డిఫరెంట్ ఫర్ ఎవర్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 99. Now in this 99, which of the following will come in the sequence? Now in this sequence, B, W and F. B, W and F, D, 9 and S, E at the rate of hash, E at the rate of and hash, and K, pi and Z. K, pi and Z. Now first element, B, D, E and K. Now in this B, D, E and K, B to D, tell me what is the relation here? 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4. Between B and D, what is the element we have? Plus 4. D and E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. And E and K, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus, isn't it? B and D. Now from B and D, 5. 3 మనం కౌంట్ చేయాలి, plus 5. Here 5, 5. Here also plus 5. K plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Q is the first element. Among the given choices, Q in the first is given in 2 choices. Now we need to compare the second element, W and Q. Now in this W and Q, tell me what is W and 9. W and 9, W is here, 9 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. 9 and at the rate of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Q and 7. Among the given choice, Q7, that is choice 3. Then 100. Now in this question number 100. If all the symbols are deleted from the given arrangement, which of the following will be 11th from the left? 11th from the left without the symbols. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11th element is 5, choice 4. Done? Yes, done with this one. 467, question number 66 to 100. Any doubts in these 35? Yes, tell me how much time it has taken. Around 18 minutes. ఆరాంగా చెప్పుకుంటే 18 నిమిషాలు అయింది. ఏది మధ్యలో వదిలేసే పనే లేదు. మీరు కూడా ఎగ్జామ్లో వదిలేసే పని ఎప్పుడూ పెట్టుకోకండి. అన్లెస్ అండ్ అదర్వైజ్ దెర్ ఆర్ 2 పారామీటర్స్. 2 పారామీటర్స్ ఉంటే లాస్ట్కి పెట్టుకోండి. లేదనుకుంటే ఈ విధంగా అలా చేసుకుంటూ పోవడం. 5 వదిలేశారు అనుకోండి, ఎగ్జామ్ వదిలేసినట్టే కా. అవునా కదా, అందులో రీజనింగ్లో 5 వదిలేసామంటే. అందుకేంటంటే వదిలేస్తామనేసే కాన్సెప్టే ఉండకూడదు. వదిలేస్తే మాత్రం ఒక్కసారి నోట్ చేసుకోండి రఫ్లో. ఏ క్వశ్చన్ వదిలేసాం అది ఎటువంటి టైప్, తర్వాత మళ్ళీ వెనక్కి రావచ్చు. డన్ విత్ దిస్. దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ is 66 to 71. Now question number 66 to 70. Number series. Economic number? 35. 35. Just starting. Now 35. 7, 13. Chapman angel. Numbers increasing at a smaller rate, difference. What is the difference here? 6. And 13 and 23, 10. 23 and 37, 14. And next one is how much? 18. Plus 4, plus 4, plus 4. 18 plus 4, 22, 77, choice 3. 35. Then 36. 8, 12. If you check out the choices, 600, 400, 600. Numbers are increasing at a very fast rate. Multiplication or combination. 60 into 3, isn't it? 24 into 2.5, 12 into 2. Now this is into 1.5. Into 1.5 into 2 into 2.5 into 3 into 3.5. Into 3.5 is so much? 18 into 3, 54, 54 plus 9. That is 63. Choice 3 is the answer. My calculation చూడాలి ఎలా చేస్తున్నామో 180 into 3.5. 180 అంటే పెద్ద నెంబర్. అంత నెంబర్ చేసే ఓపిక మనకు ఉండదు. 18 into 3, 54. 18 into 0.5, 9. 54 plus 9, 63. చాలు మనకి. Choice 3 is the answer. Done with this? Then 37. Now in this 37, again starting with 7, and the choices are 1300, 1300, 1700, and so on. Then 7 and 21. What is the relation between these two? Into 3. Now into 3 can start just 7 into 3, 21. 21 and 63. How can you relate this one? Now 7. Now this is 27 kadandi idi. Now 721. Now this 721, 7 into 3. 7 into 3 is 21. 21 into 3 is 63. Into 3. Into 3. 7 into 3, 21. Last digit must be 1. Among the given choice, so only choice 3 is having 1. Then 38. Now in this 38, 4, 6, 9. 4 and 6 into 1.5. And 6 and 9 into 1.5. Into 1.5 into 1.5. And 20 into 1.5 is so much? 20 into 1.5. And the last digit must be how much? 375. Why it is 375? Now this 25 must be multiplied with into 1.5. And it will be 25 plus 125. 250 plus 125, 375. Anduku 375 last row raval. Choice 4 is the answer. Done with this? Then 39. Now in this question number 39. Again starting with 7 and ending with 2400. Then multiplication or combination. 7 and 27. 7 into 4 minus 1 or 7 into 3 plus 1. 3 plus 6. There are two possibilities, isn't it? Hence we need to start at the last. అందుకే కాంబినేషన్ ఎప్పుడు మనం లాస్ట్లో చెక్ చేసుకోండి. బిగ్గెస్ట్ నెంబర్ విల్ హ్యావ్ ఓన్లీ వన్ పాసిబిలిటీ. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏమైపోయింది? 727, 7 into 3 plus 6 or 7 into 4 minus 1. రెండిట్లో దగ్గర ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇది తీసేసుకోవాలి జనరల్గా, isn't it? Now in this one 267 and 807. Now here it is multiplied with how much? 267 into 3 plus how much? 267 into 3 will be 801 plus 6. Here plus 6 వచ్చింది కాబట్టి here also it must be plus 6. Into 3 plus 6 into 3 plus 6 into 3 plus 6 సరిపోతుందా లేదా? And next one into 3 plus 6. 7 into 3, 21 plus 6 is 27. 27. What is your answer here? 2427, choice 4. Then, now this is about paper number 467. And again, number series is again important to your examination. Because మనకి క్వాంట్లో కూడా స్కోర్ ఎక్కువే ఉండాలి. ఎక్కువ ఉండాలనుకుని డెఫినెట్గా ఇదైతే చేసి ఉండాలి. Definitely you can able to score around 4 marks, isn't it?